With the new village Crafty Shapes by Stamperia, you can create beautiful little villages. Let's see how. This time, I'm gonna start with the lighthouse set. First, I apply a layer of primer to all the pieces. This will make the colors look brighter. To add texture, we can use crackle paste for a rusty effect. We also have different stencils to create textures. Here, I'm using volume paste and this stencil to make a stone pattern on the roofs. Once it's dry, you can paint it any color you like using our Allegro paints. To make the textures stand out, simply wipe the surface with a baby wipe before the paint dries completely. Now, with our craft glue, you can start putting all the pieces together. Don't be afraid to play with colors. Use your imagination to create your own village. For shadows and vintage effect, I add aqua color with a brush to some areas, and to get a warm look, I use a dry brush with an old ivory or a similar color. And that's it! Your little houses are ready for amazing projects, whether it's a wall art, dioramas, or mini scents. Hope you have fun. Keep crafting!